So I've had a couple people ask me recently what my preferred method is for wire repair and if I could show it on camera. So me personally, I like to solder, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do that right here in this video. So first off, you're gonna have your piece of broke wire. You're gonna go ahead and strip that wire off. Now, after you strip that wire off, inspect the copper inside and make sure it's clean. If it's not super clean, you may want to take a light wire brush, kind of brush those copper strands off, clean them up, and spray them with a little bit of electronics cleaner. If your copper is not clean, the solder will not adhere to the copper. Now that you're guaranteed that you have your copper clean, you want to take your piece of shrink wrap and put it on over the wire before you begin to solder. Once you have your shrink wrap on the wire, if you have a soldering clamp, mount your wires up in the soldering clamp or prepare them to solder however you need to. Flay out the copper strands. Now push your wires together and twist. Once you've got your wire twisted together, apply a little bit of flux to the copper. Flux will help that solder mate with the copper and give you a good soldered connection. I normally take a little thick piece of solder and I'll just rub some on there. After you've got your flux on the wire, go on ahead and power up your soldering iron. Once your solder iron is powered up, go on ahead and heat up that wire. The wire must be hot for the solder to stick. Once your wire is hot, go on ahead and take some solder and begin melting that into the wire. As you push that solder in, it should go on ahead and disperse through the wires and give you a good solid connection. After that, let your wire cool down for a couple of seconds. It will be hot. After you believe it's cool enough, you can go ahead and take your wire out. Test your connection, make sure it's good and tight. Now you'll want to pull your shrink wrap on up over. And then take a torch. And there you got your repaired wire, but that is my preferred method on how to repair a wire. If I did anything wrong, those of you guys that really know soldering, please go ahead and correct me down in the comments below. I'm by no means an expert, but I just thought I'd show you guys how I repair the wires and my daily job. If you guys enjoyed this video, please drop your thoughts and opinions on the video down in the comments below. I'd absolutely love to hear what you guys thought of it. And if you enjoyed, please drop a like and a follow. It really helps support the page. But again, thank y'all for watching. Hope you enjoyed this wire repair video. Tools R Us, out.